Hi, this is Hank Field. In this video I'm going to show you how to install a C++ compiler on macOS. So the first thing we're going to do is open up a terminal. So I'll just hit Command Spacebar and type in terminal. You'll see that shows up as the first option, so hit enter. I have this open in another window, so I have to open up a new shell, so I'm just going to say new window. Okay, so it's very easy on macOS to install a C++ compiler if you don't have it installed already. So once terminal is open, just go ahead and type in G++, and I'll hit enter. And if you don't have it installed, it'll ask you if you want to install the command line developer tools. So when you get this window, just click on install, agree to the license, and then it'll go and download it, and once it's finished, we can test to make sure that it's working. Alright, so that took a minute or two to install, so I'll just click done, and then that'll bring me back into my terminal, and I'll type in G++ again. And if you get this error, Clang error no input files, that's good. That means that it's working. That means that G++, the compiler for C++, tried to run. We didn't give it any input files, so it doesn't know what to do, but it can find the command. So there we go. That's all there is to it.